Yo, what's going on? We got a new unboxing right here. I just kicked it up today. Just a little something. So let's see what we got in here. Got a little cleaning tool. We got the Canik Elite SC. I'm only using one of my hands here, so holster nice. See if I can get it out of there. Hold up. There we go. Oh yeah. Clean. It came, you know what I'm saying, with the red dot already on it. It's a Shell SMS 2. I gotta put the battery in it though. But yeah, it ain't too bad. I believe it holds 12. Focus. 12 rounder. 2 of them. This one, it got the extension on it. So it's probably 12 and plus another one. I don't know. Got your little tool kit here. It came with a back strap holster. That's the plate. Goes on the back of here. I mean, of course, I'm not taking it off. You know what I mean? But yeah, there you go.